This video took place over the course of 12 days and the results really are awesome, so you're going to want to stay tuned, check it out, and like this video or subscribe if you enjoyed it. So to get started with this experiment, we're going to need some fruit. The pyramids do help to preserve any organic matter placed underneath, but what we're going to be using for this experiment is mangoes. Mangoes really do help to demonstrate the effects of the pyramid very well. You can see here, these are two different examples of our pyramids. For this experiment, we're going to be using the Vitamid, which is the larger 12-inch pyramid, which is made specifically for this purpose. So we've got our mangoes. In order to ensure as clear of a result as possible, we got 2 mangoes that were a little bit more firm, and then 2 that were a little bit softer. And so we just sorted them out into those 2 groups, and just wanted to make this experiment as equal as possible. We took the mangoes of each level of firmness and put one under the pyramid and one right next to the pyramid. All you need to do in order to replicate this experiment is take the pyramid, place your organic matter underneath it, and for this purpose we're going to be letting them sit for 12 days. Of course, this will show the effect of the electronic frequencies, the frequencies around us, as they are starting to affect the mangoes. We just checked in every few days to kind of document the progress of the EMF and the different frequencies. But this is day 12, and you can see there has been a huge impact on these mangoes. They're definitely not edible anymore, the ones that aren't in the pyramid here. A lot of rotting, a lot of decay, and they're extremely squishy. You can see in the skin there's a huge amount of impact, whereas the ones underneath the pyramid, they are still looking pretty smooth, probably still a little bit over the point where you'd want to eat them, but definitely better than these ones. As you can see, they're extremely bruised and just not looking good at all. So the true test is when we cut them apart. So we'll start here. This was one that was not under the pyramid, so we'll see how it looks inside. Here you can see a ton of brown around the edges, very squishy, very mealy, definitely not looking too good. Here is one that was under the pyramid, and you can see the difference here. It looks good, the flesh is still good after 12 days, and so it really is a true difference here, as you can see. Here's our next test. So this was another similar mango, very, very rotten. As you can see, it's starting to, waste away inside. Definitely not edible. This one was not under the pyramid. Now compared to a similar mango that was, you can see there is still a little bit of brown happening, but it really, really is a clear difference as to which one was more affected. You really, really can see the difference here between no pyramid and pyramid. Here is a true side-by-side comparison, pyramid versus no pyramid, and the difference is clear. There are so many harmful frequencies around us. There are measures we can take to protect our food and therefore ourselves, and using the pyramid is a really, really simple, easy way to do that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please head to our website to check out our pyramids, learn a ton more about them, and find the one that's best for you.